Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a map animation in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your design and open your editor. You gotta click on element and search for map, press enter. If you want a world map, you can search for that as well. Then you'll be able to see photos, graphics, etc. So let's go to graphics and select any map. So let's go with this one. You can see it's an illustration, but I wish to create a dotted line from one area to another on this one. So in order to add that, you gotta search for dotted line over here, press enter, and you'll be able to see various types of dotted lines. So let's go with this one and change the color to red. And now you can simply change the position of it from one area to another like this. And then you can click on animate. And then let's go with, let's say, pan. And just like that, you can add various pinpoints or animations from one location to another over any map. So that was basically how you can make a map animation on Canva. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.